African drum lessons. Today I'm going to teach you class 4 of Soli Rhythm, the DunDun part, which is Sanban. The first beat is open, then is open times 3, like this. Now let's play it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Let's move to Agogo Bell. The first beat for Agogo Bell is king, 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 king. Let's play it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Last time. Now let's combine Sanban and Agogo Bell, playing it 4 times together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine Sanban with djembe. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our lessons. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please remember to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.